Hello everyone and welcome to a diesel elevators unboxing. This is a video that you don't get to see very often, as every time I mean to unbox something on camera, by the time I actually get around to getting the tripod and the camera, it's already long since been unboxed. But today, it's something very interesting. We're actually starting a new collection today, and now it's not a collection that I'll be adding to frequently. Life has more control over my funding than my collections do. However, it is pretty neat. I am glad that these are the pieces that are starting my collection, and I think you'll like them as well. Quick little shout out to St. Louis Elevators Jason, who has become a good friend of mine over the course of recent time, and he actually led me to this eBay listing knowing that I would like it. And I'm like, ooh, well, I've got a little money right now. I really can't pass it up, so I have to do it. And no, it is not going to be a cubicle organizer. It is actually elevator related. And yes, this is a 3D printed nameplate here for my channel. A buddy of mine made it several years ago, and I still have it sitting around. It's really nice. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Okay, we're going to kind of open this. I don't know which way or how it's packaged, so we're going to find out the hard way exactly how everything is put together. And actually, it feels like the crease for the box is right here, so we're actually going to open it this way. Make sure after I move the box up, you can still see perfectly fine. Here we go. I think the last time I actually did and uploaded an unboxing video was probably 4 years ago. It's been a long time. I actually prefer doing this with the box upside down as to not release my address or the seller's address. And that's just gonna rip off here. And now we're inside the box, and we'll see. Now I want this to be the first thing I pull out, and it looks like I opened it the right way for that to happen. This is the first addition to my elevator collection. And this here, once I slide the box back a little bit, there is more in the box. This here is, if I can handle it right, a Haughton phone box. I'll let you get a better look at that. We've got the camera off the tripod for a moment. This is a Haughton phone box out of a Haughton elevator. And of course, being the panel, there's not a phone inside. I'm not going to open it all the way, but you can see it there. If I had it mounted somewhere, which I don't know what I could possibly put behind it, but I wouldn't mind mounting it somewhere and actually using the door to put something behind, because the door does fully work. I love Haughton Elevator Company if you had to ask me for a favorite elevator brand. So I'm glad that this is the first piece entering my elevator collection. I didn't think my first piece would be something Haughton related, but it is. Now, everything else in this box is not necessarily Haughton, however, it is really cool. And a quick note upon opening the door, the focus is a little off, but there's a 2 inside the door, so I'm almost wondering if this is probably elevator number 2 for whatever building this came out of. So the rest of the bubble packaging out of the way, let's go ahead and pull out everything else that's in this box. Now these are really cool. Now the first one we're going to pull out is in the worst shape than the rest. These are CJ Anderson hall panels. These are your call stations. There are 3 intermediate and 1 terminal station. So 3 of them are up down. And this one, I suppose my best assumption, all these buttons seem like they came out of the same building. I guess my best assumption is that this was probably the lobby, and this was probably up. Although then again, actually, you know, this looks like stainless behind here, so this might actually just be some paint that'll come right off, because that's stainless behind it. But these are really cool. Like I said, these are in the least good condition than the rest. Here we go, in much better shape. CJ Anderson, and these are the older model. They have the white ring around them that would light up. This one is in the best shape of the other ones. And then last but not least, we have the terminal station. So this would have either been on the top or the bottom. I just tipped the box upside down, and I also have a wire. Fell off of one of them. So thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Next time I get something, I hope, I won't promise because I can't promise something I don't know for sure, but I hope I will remember and have time to make an unboxing video because I just think it's kind of neat opening up a package, not knowing exactly how it's going to be in there and what order everything's going to be in. It's really cool. So thanks for watching. Again, thank you to STL Elevators for leading me to this eBay listing. And I'm so glad to finally have a bit of an elevator collection going. I've got so many different types of collections already, it's kind of nuts, but I've got a lot of different collections, but only a couple pieces for each, so this is the start of yet another collection. Again, thanks for watching. I'm sure at some point we'll do something fun with one of these. You know, maybe we'll take the terminal station and hook it up, set the fire alarm panel off with it. Because all you need is a momentary contact for that, and that's exactly what these are. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. For now, that'll be it.